How can we achieve a gorgeous flower arrangement with no cost and minimal effort? Welcome to Art Academy. Together we will be working on a beautiful console table arrangement. We should consider 4 components when we think about a floral arrangement. The first one being the plant materials, the leaves, the flowers, the buds. The second one is the flower vase. The third one is background. What is the purpose of this flower arrangement? Where would you like to place it, whether it's a coffee table or a console table? And the fourth one is mechanics. Gather all the ingredients and your tools needed for the project. Organize them on the table according to the type. It is easy to gather leaves of different types and shapes. If possible, use a variety of flowers in your design. You can also add fruits, vegetables, feathers, twigs. It will add an extra edge to your floral arrangement. Also make sure you have removed any leaves towards the bottom of the stems. This will make the flowers easier to manage when arranging. The basic tools you need for a flower arrangement are scissors, floral tape, and floral wire. We also use floral foams or pins or chicken wire to stabilize the flowers in the vase. But today's video, we will learn how to do a flower arrangement without the help of a floral foam or a flower pin. Succulents are beautiful addition for any floral arrangement, but they often have small stems. Attach some other sticks to solve this problem. I am using wooden skewers here. Same applies for any fruits or vegetables you would like to add. Gently advance the sharp end 2 to 3 centimeters inside the element. Any leaves under the water line will attract bacteria, so make sure that you remove all the leaves below the water line for your flower arrangements to last longer. One of the clever ways is to use dried flowers. These are dried geranium flowers. Bundle them up in a group of 3 or 4 using floral wire. You can use floral tape to hide the floral wires. Choose your flower vase and make sure that it's clean. Start with the focal element. In this arrangement, the tree branches. These are the most difficult to stabilize, so I will begin with it. Once you have them in a desired shape, use the floral wire to stabilize. Together these branches are heavy, so make sure that you balance the weight by using some stones. Reinforce them with adhesive tape. It's very important to secure these tree branches to the back of the vase. We are not using a floral foam or a flower pin today. We are just using the adhesive tape to make a grid. This will help us to stabilize the flowers and leaves. And add enough water. Start with the tallest or the broadest leaves. The bigger and the thicker leaves will go on the base layer or towards the mouth of the vase. Use a variety of leaves to add interest. This foliage will form the framework of our floral arrangement. Don't make it too perfect. You really want that relaxed look. Gently guide the stems through the grid that we made with the cello tape. The leaves may move around, so always make sure that you revise your flower arrangement every now and then. When you prepare your flowers and leaves, make sure that the stems are cut at 45-degree angle. Using different colors of leaves will add the impact of flowers itself. Always think about balance. If you are adding a very colorful leaf in the vertical direction, there should be something to ground it on the horizontal direction or in the base. As mentioned earlier, thicker and larger elements will go to the base of the floral arrangement. I added the succulents, so is the apple, which are broader and thicker on the base. There is one rule that I always follow when I do floral arrangement, that is rule of odds. Add things in a group of odd numbers like 1, 3, especially if they are eye-catching like that of these apples and dry geranium flowers. When you're designing a floral arrangement, your face is only 10 inches away from the flowers. So you may not catch everything in that distance. So it is very important to stand back and have another perspective and revise your floral arrangement accordingly. It is not necessarily the most expensive flowers that look the most effective in a floral design. Once you learn the basic principles of flower arranging, you will be able to choose flowers that will go together and arrange them in an eye-catching manner. So in short, flower vases are as equally important as flowers. Add a variety of flowers and leaves. Preparation is the key. Cut all stems at 45 degrees. Remove all the leaves from the stems that go below the waterline. Add your focal point first. Add thicker and broader elements to the base and thinner and slender elements to the top of the arrangement. You can totally add dry and fresh elements together. Add fruits and vegetables for an extra edge. I thoroughly enjoyed styling this floral arrangement for you. Hope you feel the same. Be sure to tune in and follow along. There are so many new videos on the way. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.